Good morning, everybody. On this lovely rainy day that we're having, we are headed over to the DPW in Nashua. They always have this drain line that consistently backs up on them. So you get to enjoy watching us take care of that drain. So hope to see you at the end of the video. Stay tuned for, I don't know, hopefully something interesting. Thanks. It went right down the right way. Right off the bat. At least it looks like it did. Yep, it did. Look at that, guys. Somebody loves me. This thing, I stuck it in here, it went right down the right way, right off the bat.
Of course it did.
What?
My registration for my pharmacy tech, it came in today.
Oh, that's exciting. This went right down the right way the first time. I would really like to get the camera. See if I can get the camera to go down with the flex shaft. Because I stuck this in there and it just instantly, I was like, oh, lovely. I was like, somebody loves me.
To be fair, Bob doesn't use the flex shaft to begin with.
We've never used the flex shaft on this line, so that comment just irritated me.
Sorry.
We've never used the flex shaft on this. It's always done the big machine. Because my natural instinct is always to go with using this, because I like this. I know how it feels when it's, you know what I mean? So it's my natural go-to, but or not. Alright, can you hold this here? Don't worry about the drill, it's not the drill. I need it back a little bit. Yeah, the drill's not gonna do anything. Don't worry about the drill. I'm doing this so that I can see, because I want to see what's down there, because we've never actually been able to get the camera down that way. You know what I mean? So. I want to see what's down there. Once and for all. Really? You're not gonna go? Go ahead. Go ahead. What is in this line? Go ahead. I'll stop every so often to hit the chains real quick. Okay, hold on. Just to help break up some of the debris, you know what I mean? Flush that toilet right here again for me, please. There's a lot of debris in this pipe, so we have to get it out. We're gonna have to go in and out, so. All right, ready? We gotta push in because it still has water here. Ready? What's not making sense is that if I try to push in, I can push in, see? flush this. Is it done filling?
Yeah.
Alright, flush it. Go flush the other ones on the other side. There's so much debris in this pipe that it's like... Keep the sinks running. Feed this all the way in. And then if you want, you can start pulling things out. This is ridiculous.
You want to hand me that camera?
It wasn't you that was ridiculous. It was
No, I know.
this situation.
From the sound of it, we were planning on this being a pretty straightforward job. It just didn't work out that way.
Well, it usually is, but at the same time, it's like, with as much stuff as in here, it's ridiculous. Whenever done with it.
And I'm just going to drop this in the foot pedal in that bucket you got right there.
Drop those in the big extension cord bucket, then I'll know where they are.
Oh, okay.
Especially if I have to use the big machine, I need the big bucket and the little extension cord anyways. Because I know I gotta get you back. I gotta get you back and I gotta get to my next one. I gotta call her. Hopefully she's not upset with me for not.
Oh, the phone was ringing while you were talking to that guy, the work phone.
Yep, that's probably the lady then. I'm sure she'll understand.
Want to know?
No, I'm sure she will. Your stuff is black. Sorry, your entire morning.
It's fine. Still got a little bit of time, and it's not like we're far from the house. Nothing else. I'll wash my hands, face, use that cheap day stuff for shampoo to wash my hair real quick today, and just take a shower when I go.
Alrighty. There's that. Let's go back in here.
Or I'll do what I did last time, bend my head over the bathtub, grab a hose, and just wash my hair over.
Alright, you can take this sheet and put it in with the extension cord.
set your door button now?
No, I was just keeping it to put stuff in, that's all. That's all clean. Pockets. Another paper bag. Stuff brush back.
You can get the door, I can get this.
Yep. Alrighty, everybody. So that does it for that one. We ran into a little bit of a snag just because I should have just used the flex shaft to begin with, but oh well. It is what it is. We got it done. They're draining. The city of Nashua is happy with us. They have a couple of fittings they need to fix, but who knows if they'll do it or not. So, alrighty. If you made it to the end of the video, you're liking what we're doing, please hit that subscribe button. We'd love to be able to do live feeds and chat with you guys, but we have to get to 1,000 first. So hit that button, and we'll see you in the chats when we get there. Thanks.